It is very interesting that market is moving according to prediction. Yesterday, in my immediate last video, I talked about an incoming pump on Pycoin. Look at this video right here. You can watch it out and confirm by yourself. An exact same thing we see right here. From this very point of important support, market begin to move all the way to the upside after that video, and a lot of person took position, and I also gave an investing information on the Telegram channel around this very area. And one thing that is also very important here is that Bitcoin is moving significantly upward according to prediction as well in this very last video. So a lot of things are ongoing in the market right now, and if you come to coin bubbles, Pi have increased 26% all the way to the upside, which a lot of momentum, positivity, optimism is back in the market. So let's discuss all of this and what you should be paying attention to right now on the Pi price chart, especially for those of us that want to day trade this very coin, and also Bitcoin price action from where the market is right now. What next in the price of Bitcoin? Are we going to see the market move into the 88 and 91,000 level? All of these and many more in this video, so watch the video along. The first thing here is the Pi price action. This is very important. In fact, if you notice in my immediate last video, I talk about the market moving upward, and exact same thing that we see from this very point, and market begin to move all the way to the upside as predicted in that very video. And if you come to the Telegram channel right here, I talked about taking a position, and if you're on this channel, you should have taken this very position right now, where I said if you want to buy and hold for 1 month to 3 months, I mean buy Pi now, buy Pi now, and it is good to buy right now, okay, for holding in the next 1 month to 3 months. And this was in the morning hours. Right now we are in the evening hours. It is covered that market has moved significantly in our favor in that very predicted direction. So if you want to day trade, I'll tell you what to do right now. If you notice, market has broke out of this very level of important resistance, which is an important resistance that we were paying attention to, so that we can know when optimism is back in the market. And exact same thing is ongoing right now. So since the market has moved this much, because if you notice, this very impulsive move is very significant from here, market move all the way to this very point, and we've seen a new high created, which means market is going to retrace before continuation. That is why if you want to invest in the next 1 to 3 months, like we taking a position on the Telegram channel right here, when we take that very position, market is in our favor already for 1 to 3 month investment. But for trading, this is not the right time to buy. Why? Because the market has already moved, okay? Market moved all the way from here to this very point. What do you think is going to happen in the market? Market will not continue like this, okay, in the next 2 to 3 days. We should see the market retrace or correction before continuation in this upward direction, because I still believe that the market is going to move upward. And this is very important, because you need to pay attention to this. So where the market is right now of 0.76, that is 76 cents, and this very area right here of 82 cents, this very region is where you should expect the market to retrace back down, and I am expecting that retracement to come into this very point as well. So this is the exact point you should expect retracement to come in this very area. There is a little gap around this very point. That is the first point retracement should pause, and the second point retracement should pause is at this very area where we have this very other block right here. So 2 areas market is going to retrace into. Retracement from here, come down into this very point before continuation to the upside, or retracement from here, come back down into this very point before the next move to the upside. So if you are looking to buy Pi for day trading or scalping, you need to wait for this retracement to come in so that we can buy either at this very point, or retracement come in from here down so that we can buy from this very point for the market to move upward. This is very important, because if you buy right now, I can guarantee you 80%, if you buy right here, market is going to move down, okay, for correction. So it is better you wait for correction to come in first of all before you can take a position after correction. And of course, if you are familiar with technical analysis, you must have to determine when correction or retracement have ended in the market for the next impulsive move, which is very, very important, and sometimes a very difficult thing to do in technical analysis. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the Pi 4-hour chart. Wait for retracement before continuation all the way to the upside, and I'm going to update you guys on this very channel. And if you want to receive more information about this kind of updates, please join the Telegram channel. The link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Join right now. If you look at the Pi 1-day chart, I was talking about the fact that market has bottomed out, okay, and I am not expecting market to go below this very area of important support. That the possibility of market going down below here is just 40%, and that 60% market is going to move upward. And of course, somebody in the Telegram channel made mention of the fact that he is still expecting the market to dump back down, but that is not what I am expecting. That is just 40% for me right now. On the high side, market is going to continue this movement to the upside on the 1-day chart. And if you are still waiting for the market to come back down into this very area of important support, this is off the table for me at the moment. I am not expecting the market to dump into this very area again of the listing price of Pi. This is now off the table for me right now. So this is what you must have to pay attention to on the Pi price action. And if you come to the Pi mainnet, it is covered that there are no new migration. And if you look at the circulating supply, is still the same as yesterday, equal to the migrated mining reward, which is right here. BTC USDT price analysis. In this very video, I made mention of the fact that the market is going to move upward from this very area. That time market was around this very point, okay, and the market is going to continue this movement to the upside before retracement. Right now, expect the market to retrace from where the market is right now. Market still have possibility of moving into this very area of important resistance before retracing, but there is no need for you to take a buy position here, or selling the market or shorting the market from this very point where the market is right now. The best thing to do right here, if you did not take a long position from this very point right here, or this very area of important support, then you need to wait for this very retracement to come into the market before the next move to the upside. So on BTC USDT 4-hour chart, expect the market from this very price region to retrace back down into this very area before continuation to the upside. And I am looking for a breakout of this very level of important resistance, because if we see a breakout of this level of important resistance between this very price level of 78 and this very price level of $89,000 all the way upward, then I am very sure that optimism is back in the market, and market is going to enter into the 90, 91 and $92,000, this very area of important resistance right here. And this is what you must have to pay attention to as well if you really want to be in the right direction of the market. So on the immediate short term, don't take a buy position from here nor a sell position. Allow the market to retrace back down before continuation. It will be better for you to take a buy position after retracement, and this is very important. The next thing here is the Bitcoin 1-day chart. If you look at the Bitcoin 1-day chart, it is covered that the market is going to still move all the way to the upside. I am looking at the market moving all the way upward. Look at this very price action right here. You see this very candle was a bullish engulfing pattern. This very candle right here engulfs the previous bearish candle, and we see a bear candle before a bullish candle close above that very bear candle. Then market begin to push upward. I am looking at, as we enter into next week and upper week of trading, market should move all the way to the upside, approaching this very level of 90 $91,000 and $92,000. This is what you need to expect right now on the long term. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto contents. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto updates. Link down below. Join. It is a free channel. Thanks for watching.